So having got that now organized, what I want to do is right click on here and say duplicate view, regular duplicate. That's it. Click. It's going to make a duplicate of that view. And then what I'm going to do is take that view and I'm going to right click and rename it, and I'll call it, 3D bathroom. Something like that. So as soon as that generates that view, we'll see it show up in here, and then from there we're going to turn on our crop region and stuff. So I'm going to right click on here and rename this and call this 3D bathroom plumbing. Sounds good. There it is right there. It's a 3D view. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a floor plan, and I'm just going to go to level 1 plumbing plan. I'm going to go in and create a section and then apply that to my 3D view. It's kind of a neat way of going about this. So I'm going to zoom into this area here, just wheel in. Okay, there's my bathrooms, and is it because I'm not set to the right detail? Let's go to the level 2 plumbing piping plan. Is that more of what I want? Let's have a look. No. Plumbing plan, level 2. One of them shows a few more fixtures and stuff like that. There we go. So what we're going to do is create a little section here and then apply that to my 3D view. So I'm in my level 2 plumbing plan, and this is, the type of thing you do. You go in here, you draw a section from here to here. Then you want to pull this back, to about there so you can see that little area. Okay, click out. Now we can pan over. That section is going to be listed in here under sections, probably this one. Okay, because it has the highest number and it just keeps adding them up because it doesn't have a number yet. So if I double click on this bubble, it's going to open up that view. Click, click. And it was section 9. So then I go into my section 9, and the first thing I want to do is turn up my detail level to be fine. Okay. Then I'll see that, but it doesn't matter too much because I'm going to end up taking this and applying it to my 3D view. But it's good to take the time in here and kind of get the crop region about the size you want. So maybe we want to see that ductwork just for the fun of it. And we do want to see that drain pipe, so we don't want to we want to leave a little bit there below the floor. And then click out. So we've kind of adjusted that a little bit. And if we zoom in, there's our bathroom, at least at the section. Now watch what we're going to do. Remember that section 9. So now we're going to go to our 3D view that we created, this 3D plumbing, and we're going to double click and open it up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the side. Some of you may have seen this in other videos, and if you hover over here in a 3D view, there's a little context menu, and if you click on there and go down, you can click Orient View to Section, and then I'm going to go off screen again. Section 9 is listed there. Boom. And then what happens is it takes this 3D view and orients it to be where that 2D section was taken. The only difference is now I can zoom in, and because this is a 3D view, I can shift middle mouse button and pan over like this. Okay, some fancy colors in there. I think I'm just going to click this and just say hidden line. And you'll notice that it's set to be medium detail. Medium detail shows the ducts and everything in 3D, but it doesn't show the small bore pipe in 3D. So we're going to go in here and say fine detail, and then click out. And then we're going to see our pipes, and we don't want any shadows on there, that's for sure. And I'm not sure why those water closets are still showing up shaded, but in the meantime I can do a shift middle mouse, or you want to pick on something, shift middle mouse, and zoom around a little bit. Let's give ourselves a little more screen space by pulling this back. Okay, and maybe we want to start to turn some other stuff off that's in the way. So pick on the light, pick on this guy, pick on this. What else? I don't even need to see these floors and walls, to be honest with you, just to really clear it up. Let's pick all these objects here, floors and walls, all the stuff that's not plumbing. Okay, that's all from a linked file. That's why that's set to be grayed, I believe, unless it is just the discipline. I'd have to check that. So I'm going to pick all those objects using my control button to select them. Okay, and I'm going to go up here to my light bulb and say hide the category. So it's going to hide all the objects of those categories, meaning all of the lights, all of the outlets, all of the walls, all of the doors. Boom. So it just kind of hides those objects and puts them in the background. You can see them if you pick on this reveal hidden elements. It shows you all the objects that are being hidden. So I'm going to do a crossing box like this to grab these objects. Oh, it's not letting me do that. So I'm just going to use my control button, pick these objects, and do the same thing, hide category. I'm just trying to clean up my view a little bit. Pick out. Do I want to see the ductwork? Yeah, we'll leave it in just for the fun of it. Let's pick on the ceiling object and say hide category, meaning hide all objects of the ceiling category. Pick this guy and hide category. See, that's a light switch, single pole. Okay, good. Get out of here. Now, I don't know what this is. Specialty equipment. Okay, you're gone. Hide the category. Click out. And then after all, I can click on my section box here. Or is that, what is that? Hovering over here, section box. Oh, it's pinned. Let's unpin it. Interesting why that would be pinned. And I'm just going to pull that up a little bit. You have to be careful when you pick these. You have to kind of hover there for a minute. You can also use your tab button on the keyboard. All right. 11 minutes, right on the nose. At least as far as this live video goes without the intro. So there's our little sample plumbing thing that we're going to have a look at. So just kind of zoom around, pan around, and you can start to have a little look at it.